Ramah Seminar has been an incredible experience, and I've met people who I would never meet in my entire life.
You get to come to Israel with 300 teenagers, and now I know kids from Toronto, from LA.
Coming on a Ramah Israel program is basically telling the world that Jews are here to stay, and it's just an open place for Jews to be Jews.
I was really nervous coming on seminar. I didn't know what to expect. And once I got here, it was like one of the most amazing experiences I think I've ever felt.
This is my first time in Israel. I felt like I was immediately at home. My breath was completely taken away. It was really beautiful.
I learned about my history more. I learned about where I came from and how important this community is.
How many traditions are kept alive through shul, and how the liturgy that we say every morning is the exact same thing that we've said for thousands and thousands of years.
Seeing the kids come off the plane at Ben Gurion Airport and seeing that same teenager at the end of seminar found themselves, found meaning, made dozens if not hundreds of friends. It's life-changing for me every time I see it, over and over again.
I don't think I can really express how much I love the people that I've met.
We love Seminar! If you do Ramah Seminar, you'll walk away with deeper connections within yourself and within the land of Israel. You'll experience things that you probably never would have experienced before in your life.
My counselor has made a really huge impact on my summer. She's been nothing but kind and supportive and welcoming, and always gives me the best advice.
I want to invite you all to come be a part of this wonderful experience together of Ramah Seminar. Come with your friends, come to Israel, come with me on this incredible journey.